scrolling on my phone.
Hey loves, it's Brianna K. Thank you for watching my channel today. I'm going to be sharing with you a relaxing nighttime cleaning routine. I hope that you can put this video on anytime you're just looking for a more chill yet motivating video and just kind of an easy way at the end of the day to not only clean your home, but wind down, relax, and have some time for you. And this was sent to me by Marie Kondo. And I love just spraying this to kind of have that fresh, clean slate, as it's called.
Freedom I get from the work that I do.
And let me know while you're watching today, what time do you normally go to bed? I try to be in bed and asleep around 10 p.m. and I just feel so much more relaxed and ready for bed at that time when I do this routine. One of the things I like to do just to pamper myself is to do a little turn down service, light candles, make sure the room smells fresh and clean, turn down my blankets, fluff my pillows like when you stay in a fancy hotel, and then I always make sure that my Oslo sleep buds are charged up for the night ahead.
I am a person who gets very vivid dreams, oftentimes vivid nightmares, and I'm not gonna lie, since getting divorced and sleeping by myself, it's the reason why I don't really watch shows or movies before bed either. I try to have a really calm, peaceful bedtime routine so that I get a good night's sleep, because I really need a good night's sleep to be able to function as a busy mom. And that's why I wanted to try Oslo. And I'd like to thank Oslo for sponsoring today's video. These are my Oslo sleep buds. This is what the sleep buds look like. I heard about these from Oprah actually, because they were named one of the winners in Oprah's 2025 Daily Sleep Awards. And ever since adding it to my bedtime routine, I have gotten such better quality sleep. I know in the past I've had different watches that track my sleep, but it never really solved the problem of why I wasn't getting enough deep sleep. And that's what Oslo is designed to do. It is science-backed research that when you put these in, it helps you not only fall asleep faster, but sleep deeper and wake up feeling more refreshed. So here's how it fits in your ear. It is designed so that it does not fall out, especially if you're a side sleeper like me. I know I'm constantly switching from like side to side at night. These have never fallen out. There's a 10-hour charge. And again, they're not noise canceling, but they just cancel out any disruptive noises. And I also really love that on the Oslo app, you can personalize the sounds that you listen to. I know for me personally, I love the sound of the ocean when I wear these. Probably no surprise, I'm a beach girl at heart. So whether you're trying to block out city noise, or you have a partner who snores, or you're like me and your mind is just racing with thoughts before bed of all of the things that you need to do the next day, and the mental load of motherhood is just running through your brain, Oslo helps quiet the chaos in your environment and in your head so that you can truly rest. Think of them as tiny high-tech pillows that fit in your ears. As I get older, I know nothing beats a really good night's sleep. So I'm gonna have the QR code here on my screen, as well as a link down in my description box below. And be sure to use my code BRIAK when you check out, so you get $10 off the best sleep of your life. And thank you again to Oslo for sponsoring today's video.
And I noticed a storm was rolling in, so I wanted to make sure I got the puppies outside to go potty before it hit.
When the storm is moving in, the sky goes dark and you feel the wind. Too much weight just holds you down, waiting for the calm to come.
And good thing I did, because about 5 minutes after I took them out, this is what it looked like outside.
Your desperate leaps and feet, you will rise above, know that you are strong.
So while it was storming, I just continued cleaning, doing a light clean of the bathroom so that it was nice and ready for when I take a bubble bath later. just cleaning off the sinks and the mirrors, doing a quick clean of the tub.
When there's no solid ground, walls are closing in, and you hear the sound of your heartbeat through your chest. Oh, your head is spinning, you can't find no rest, and you harbor all your tears, your disbeliefs and fear, and you will rise above. Know that you are strong, though the road is long, there is always love.
And then back in the bedroom, just doing a light dusting so that it smells extra fresh and clean in here for bedtime.
To carry you home, to carry you home when the ocean is too deep. You come best to stay. Your dreams are out of reach when all your faith is gone and you just can't go on. There is always love to carry you home, home, to carry you home, home.
Next, we're moving into the kitchen to do a cleanup of the kitchen before I make dinner. Sometimes I joke you have to clean the kitchen just to clean the kitchen, but I personally don't like cooking in a messy space, so I'm going to clean off the counters, empty the dishwasher, clean the sink so that everything is ready for me to cook dinner.
Yeah, you know I need space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the cups, breakups, bumps in the road we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours and mine, it's you and I. It's you and I. You won't say it out loud, but I can tell you're not fine. 'Cause I know you like that. I know you better than anyone you know. Yeah, I know exactly how you bottle things up inside, but you don't have to be stubborn, so goddamn proud. I know you better than anyone you know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the cups, breakups, bumps in the road we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours and mine, it's you and I. It's
And because this is in my view when I cook dinner, I wanted to do a quick tidy of the family room too. Again, this is a very light cleaning, just a little relaxing clean with me so that everything is reset. I can have a calm evening and wake up to a nice and tidy home. This way, when I lay down at night, I'm also not thinking of the list of things to do and things I have to clean. It just helps a lot with the mental load.
Can we just stay here? Maybe just one more drink. I can't help but think, where have you been? All my life, all lonely nights. You were always there at the same damn bar. I just never lose your way. And I've seen every ocean, but I've never seen a color blue. Looking into your eyes. Blue. When I'm nervous, I talk too much and overshare things. Yeah, I can be a mess, but you somehow like me for me. And all your friends are wasted. You wanna stay here? Oh, we should just stay here. Maybe just for one more drink. I can't help but think, where have you been? All my life, all lonely nights.
Making this recipe tonight. Very simple and easy. I love just being able to throw this stuff together.
Every ocean, but I've never seen a color blue. Look into your eyes. All my life, you will always sing them.
All right, here's dinner. Just gotta drizzle on the dressing. And the dressing is so good. I've never made a dressing like this before with fig jam. It was like mayonnaise, mustard, hot sauce, fig jam, lemon juice, and oh my gosh, the fig jam just takes it to the next level. Yum.
Dinner was seriously so good. I love HelloFresh. But now let's clean the kitchen again so it's ready for the next day. Just cleaning up from all the cooking and doing a final wipe down of all the counters and a cleanup of the kitchen floors.
Martha, you're the sweetest girl, an angel sent down to this world. I love you more than words could ever say. Every day's a new beginning. Life is just a game you're winning. Every time you look, an open door. So run right out, chase the sunlight. Nothing left to do but do right. Martha, you're the one my heart beats for. Martha, my darling, your name I keep calling. Heartaches forgotten when you lie with me down in the holler.
And now I had a load of laundry I wanted to fold, so sat down by the fire to enjoy the ambiance. And it does make me so excited for cozy fall movie nights by the fire in here. I can't wait for my annual Harry Potter marathon. It's my favorite thing to do. I do it each fall after I decorate in here, which let me know in the comments. Should I decorate early? It's August 1st, the time. Do I just start putting up the fall decor for you guys? Let me know if you're ready. And time to take the puppies out one last time before bed. The rain stopped, thankfully, and it was actually really pretty colors out here during the sunset.
Heartaches forgotten when you lie with me down in the holler, in mansion or squalor. Arthur, where you are is where I'll be.
All right, tucking the puppies in, turning off all of the lights before we head back upstairs for that relaxing bubble bath.
Martha, my darling, your name I keep calling. Heartaches forgotten when you lie with me down in the holler, in mansion or squalor. Arthur, where you are is where I'll be. Arthur, where you are is where I'll be.
This truly is my little happy place. Go into relaxation mode, light a candle, use delicious scented bubble bath, bring up my glass of wine, a little piece of chocolate, put on some calming beach ambiance YouTube videos, and just chill in here, meditate, let all the stresses of the day float away.
Love left behind all alone, and the sky is falling down, feeling like I'm gone.
And I don't know why. Sometimes I like just setting my pajamas out. I don't know if it reminds me of something my mom and like grandma used to do for me, but just comforting.
Black, not a sound. Nothing below, no one around.
Then it's time to brush my teeth, take out my contacts, and go to sleep.
Last forever, not even us together. After hours, after love, like April's fooling everyone. Once again, you
So I'll put my Ozzo earbuds in and head off to dreamland. Thank you all so much for watching this relaxing nighttime clean with me routine. I hope that it helps you to reset your home in the evening and have a relaxing nighttime routine for yourself. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Good night, loves.